Hi there. In this video, we'll explain about custom permissions in Salesforce. What is a custom permission in Salesforce? A custom permission in Salesforce is a setting that allows you to control user access to specific features or processes. It's a way to customize what users can or cannot do in your Salesforce environment beyond regular profiles and permission sets. Why do we use custom permissions? Custom permissions are used when you need to give specific users access to certain functionality, without changing their entire permission set or profile. For example, imagine you want only certain users to approve discounts. With custom permissions, you can grant this access without affecting their other permissions. Real-time example. Let's say a sales rep needs permission to apply special discounts to a deal. Instead of creating a whole new profile or permission set for them, you can create a custom permission specifically for discount approval. How to create a custom permission in Salesforce? Let's create a custom permission. Log into your Salesforce and go to the Setup menu. Type Custom Permissions in the Quick Find box. Click on Custom Permissions. Next, click New to create a new custom permission. Now, give your custom permission a name. For example, you could call it Test Permission. Click Save. Your custom permission is now ready to be assigned to users or permission sets. Type permission set in the Quick Find box. Click on Permission Set. Click on New. Label your permission set as Test Permission. Assign a license. And click Save. Navigate to Manage Assignment. Click on Add Assignment. Select the user you want to assign the permission set. Click Next. Click Assign and select Done. In your Quick Find box, type Users. Select Users. Select the user whom you assigned permission set to. Scroll down to the Permission Set Assignments. Select Test Permission. In the Test Permission window, scroll down. Select the Custom Permissions. Click Edit. Add the available custom permission to the enabled custom permission. Click Save. After assigning the custom permission, test it by logging in as the user. Navigate to the Object Manager. Select Account Object. Navigate to the Validation Rules. Click on New. Give a name to your validation rule. And an error condition formula. Give an error message for your validation rule. Select the error location. And click Save. Log in as the user who was assigned the custom permission. Navigate to the account object. Click on the detail page. Edit the rating as warm. Leave the phone field empty. Click Save. You can still save the record as you have the custom permission. Now try logging in as a different user. Again, navigate to the account object. Click on the detail page. Edit the rating as hot. Leave the phone field empty. Click Save. You can see that you can't save the record. And that's it. Custom permissions give you an easy way to control access to specific features without changing entire profiles or permission sets. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy Salesforce guides. See you next time.